If you are tired of the same username on Tango app and want to change it, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to change a bio and name on Tango app. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Tango app. Once you are on the home page, simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. You are now on the My Account menu. Tap on the profile which is on the top of the menu. You can see you have been directed to your profile page. So to edit the name and the bio, tap on the pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here you can change your name as you like by tapping on the name section. Type in your new name. Then for the bio you can add some words to the About Me section which is right below the names. After you are done with the edits, tap on the tick mark on the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the changes in your profile. Your name has been changed and the bio has been added. So this is it for the video. Hope this video was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.